With the help of Parley for the Ocean, Adidas has recently come up with an idea to help the environment. They will combine recycled filaments that salvage toxic ocean waste for the midsole of their 3D printed Futurecraft shoe. The result of this idea is Ocean Plastic, an eco-friendly shoe that has a midsole made from recycled polyester and discarded plastic gill net. It was showcased by the Parley for the Oceans network, and demonstrated how the textile and footwear industries can rethink their creative processes to help heal plastic pollution. In November of 2015, leaders gathered in Paris for the United Nations Climate Change Conference. Their goal was to come to a mutual agreement on climate, but Adidas and Parley for the Oceans believe it's up to creatives and consumers to make a difference, rather than politicians. The concept of the shoe is similar to a model Adidas and Parley for the Oceans created back in July. The latest model of Futurecraft 3D shoe will have not only an upper created with ocean waste plastic, as the midsole will be as well. Adidas announced a partnership with 3D printing company Materialize to create the future of 3D printed performance footwear. The lattice-like insoles were created through a combination of 3D printed materials and processes, offering individualized support and cushioning for athletes. In addition to this eco-friendly shoe design, Adidas has made a further commitment to put an end to global warming. Although the new model of Futurecraft 3D is still in the concept phase, it presents a direction that combines 3D printing technology and sustainability.